Suzuki, a brand that has long been absent from the US market, is making a surprise return, but not in the way many might expect. Over a decade after ceasing car sales in the United States, Suzuki is making its comeback at the 2024 CES, Consumer Electronics Show, with a showcase that includes a super carry pickup, autonomous technology, and futuristic electric mobility solutions. However, there's a twist: you can't buy these vehicles just yet. The highlight of Suzuki's display is the Super Carry Pickup, a small, compact truck that represents the company's small, few, light, short, beautiful philosophy. While it's great to see the Super Carry back in the spotlight, it's important to note that the pickup will only be available for display, not for sale. The Super Carry is a small and practical workhorse, previously known in markets like India and Southeast Asia. It's known for its utility and simplicity, but the US market will not see this truck on dealership lots anytime soon. While the Super Carry is an interesting throwback, Suzuki is also showcasing its push into the future of mobility. The company will display its electric mobility base unit, a versatile robot chassis designed for a variety of applications. This chassis is powered by the company's electric wheelchair technology and is designed to be adapted with autonomous driving systems from third-party companies. It's not just for personal vehicles, it can be used for anything from delivery robots to snow removal drones, making it a glimpse into the future of autonomous work vehicles. One of the most intriguing prototypes on display at CES is the snow removal drone, developed in collaboration with Everblue Technologies. This snowplowing robot might not sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it could revolutionize how we handle winter maintenance. The drone is equipped with a 210-watt motor, a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, 6 kilometers per hour, and a range of around 18.6 miles, 30 kilometers. It's designed to autonomously clear snow from paths or driveways. Although still a prototype, the snow removal drone is expected to hit production in 2026, and its potential to impact winter cities could be significant. In addition to the snow removal drone, Suzuki is unveiling the Applied EV, a small, skateboard-like vehicle designed to be equipped with different upper bodies. Think of it as a modular electric vehicle, customizable for various uses, including as a self-driving logistics vehicle or electric trolley. Suzuki describes it as a safe, simple, electric vehicle, designed for environments like airports or large logistics centers. Its compact size and adaptability could make it perfect for urban settings and automated transportation in controlled environments. Lastly, Suzuki will also showcase a small passenger pod designed to travel in its own dedicated lane. This innovative transport option is all about providing equal and sustainable transportation for everyone. The pod aims to offer a clean, efficient, and safe solution for short trips, potentially taking advantage of dedicated lanes for autonomous vehicles, thus reducing road congestion and offering a more environmentally friendly transport option for urban areas. While these concepts and prototypes certainly show Suzuki's future aspirations, it's clear that the brand is still testing the waters with its innovative ideas. The return of the Super Carry pickup at CES is a nod to Suzuki's past, while the new electric and autonomous technologies hint at what's to come in the future. However, for those hoping to purchase a Super Carry in the US, the dream is likely to remain just that, a dream for now.